Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good evening to my fellow friends and our lecturer. So today, me and my partner is Ikli and Ajwat will present to you about our heat treatment of steel for our course BBI. So I'll proceed this to Ahmad Ajwat.
Okay. My name is Ahmad Ajwat Muhammad Azir. So I will proceed to the part of the introduction of the heat treatment steel. Okay, the first is steel is an essential material for modern life. Okay, the manufacture of steel delivers the goods and services that our societies need, such as healthcare, telecommunication, improved agriculture practice, better transport and networks. And the third one is purpose of heat treatment is to change the mechanical properties of steel. Okay, it's usually to increase the ductility, hardness, yield strength, or impact resistance to get desired properties. Okay.
So for the process that involved in the heat treatment, we have three processes, which is tempering, normalizing, and annealing. Ajwat?
The definition of tempering, okay, is a process of heat treating which is to relieve stress and reduce brittleness. Therefore, make brittle martensite steel softer, more ductile, and increase toughness. Tempering is usually performed after hardening to reduce some of excess hardness.
So, what happened in the tempering process? First, the metal was heated to some temperature below the critical temperature for a certain period of time. Then, it's allowed to cool in a still air at a room temperature. Next, if you do the tempering at the high temperature, it will yield a softer material with higher toughness, so it will become more tough.
So this is the products looks like. Its structure is kind of like this.
So it will become more tough, like this.
Okay. Okay. Now I will proceed to the second step, which is normalizing. The definition of normalizing is to remove coarse grain structure in fogging or casting. The procedure is just simple. You need to use one heat from 100 until 200 Fahrenheit above upper critical temperature. And the second procedure is cooled in still air. The product, the steel, cooled in the still air, and then essential to complete the process. Next.
And what happened in the normalizing process? First, before normalizing happened, the microstructure of the steel are coarse and non-uniform. After the microstructure has changed, the crystal become smaller and smaller. So we will get the results in a uniform and fine grain structure at the figure B.
The figure A is before process happened, and this is the product. It means that it's gonna be more harder, stronger, and better. Okay, next. Okay, the third process will be annealing. Annealing is a process to relieve stress and to reduce ductility. Okay. Basically, it has two functions, which are release stress that occur in steel, induce softness and ductility. The procedure is also easy as the previous one process. The first, we need to heat up from about something 75 Fahrenheit above upper critical temperature. Okay, the second procedure is cool in closed furnace. Okay, next.
One more thing, you might be asked what happened in the annealing process. So I'll explain to you. Before the annealing process, this steel is in high stress. This is because of the machining process that happened before. So under the influence high, annealing heat, the stress is disappear. Then the slow cooling in the furnace will prevent the stress from return. Yeah. It will change the maximum softness and ductility.
Okay, as you can see here, this is the change products step by step. Okay. Okay. You see the change within the process happen. This will be occur. The structure will be changed to like something branch structure like this one. Okay. Next.
As a conclusion for our heat treatments, the steel has its own mechanical properties as it can use in a wide area of production in our country and in our planet. So the mechanical properties can be changed by heat treatment in order to fulfill the requirement of the steel needed in this world. Therefore, the overall steel is important as it is used widely in this field, which is engineering, especially. I think that's all from me and Ajwat.
So thank you.
Thank you.